Do you get battery discharge attention message in your 5, 6 or 7 series BMW? Probably your comfort access sensor in your door handle is on the end of its lifespan. Does your door open and close randomly without the need to press a button on your key fob to do so? Then you came to the best place for solution. Well, the symptoms of a bad comfort access sensors are battery discharge when stationary warning message, your doors open and close randomly, or your doors don't open or close when you want to use the comfort access feature. How to diagnose the problem? Well, a very good question. If you are experiencing these faults, then 90% it is the sensor in the door handle. How to determine which one? If you are lucky and you plug the car on a diagnostic tool, it may show that on which door is the fault. The other option is, when it is in the state when the doors open and close randomly, you can approach and leave each door and it will produce the faults. Then you will know which door handle is broken. How long does it take to fix? I would say anywhere between 15 and 30 minutes. What tools will you need? A T15 Torx screwdriver or bit, a 4-hex bit, a flathead screwdriver, a silicone spray, but that is optional, and the scan tool, which is also optional. How difficult is it? I dare to say it is extremely easy, you shouldn't be worried at all. So how to fix it? Well, the easiest option is if you have an advanced scan tool, you can connect it and just simply disable the comfort access function in your car. Stay tuned if you want to keep your comfort access feature. Open the door where you notice the issue. Remove the rubber cover if you have the 6 series. On 5 or 7 series you won't have that rubber cover. You should see a pill-shaped hole. Sorry, I couldn't figure out any better description for that shape. Use a size 4 hex bit to undo the door lock bolt. Then use a long T15 Torx bit or screwdriver to undo the door handle bolt. You don't have to remove the bolts, turn them only till you start to feel resistance, then stop. Now remove the door handle. You will see 2 connectors, one is for the door handle light and the other is for the comfort access sensor. The bigger one is you are going after. Use a flathead screwdriver to disconnect the sensor. Or if you are worried that when you put back everything, the door handle light connector may come loose and that way you will lose both connectors somewhere inside the door, then you can leave both connectors on and cut the cables on the comfort access sensor connector. But keep in mind, you want to cut the cables on the male side of the connector, which is the one coming from the door handle, in case if you want to regain your comfort access feature in the future. Now you can start to put everything back together. Firstly, put the loose connector back to the hole, then slide the door handle back as well. Tighten up the bolts, put back the rubber cover and test your door handle if it is fitted back properly. You lost your comfort access, however, you got rid of battery drain issue and the random door openings and closings. If you want, you can replace your door handle to retain the comfort access function. So buy one. As far as I know, for the 5 and 6 series the door handles are the same and for the 7 series is different to them. So once you buy it, you have 2 options. The more hassle-free one is if you get the new door handle spray painted to the color of your car, but it is more expensive. The other option is that you swap the plastic trim in the color of your car off of the old to the new door handle, and that way you can save some money, but it requires a bit more effort. I hope you liked the video and I could help you to solve your issue and save some money at the same time. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.